Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this interesting equation, and here we're going to solve for the values of x that will satisfy this equation. So let's get started. Before we proceed, let us take note of the following. We know that I squared is equal to -1, right? Also, -I squared is equal to -1, right? So actually this -1 here, we can write it in this form. So here is how we're going to do that. We have here the square root of x, then plus, so here we can write as square root of, this place here will be plus or minus I squared times x. Since we know both positive I squared is -1 and also the negative I squared is -1. So this is equal to 3 from the right hand side. Because radical is involved here, remember this square will cancel the square root, right? So here we have the square root of x, then plus. So if this square cancels square root, so we have here plus or minus I multiplied by the square root of x. As we can see here, this x is under this root sign, so this will be equal to 3. Okay, so from here now we have the square root of x. So this is plus times plus or minus. We just have plus or minus here times iota the square root of x. Then this is equal to 3. Now factor out the square root of x, which is common. Then we'll be left with 1 plus or minus iota. Then this is equal to 3. Now in our next step, let us divide both sides by 1 plus or minus iota, right? So we have the square root of x times 1 plus or minus iota divided by 1 plus or minus iota. So this will be equal to 3 divided by 1 plus or minus I, right? So this will cancel this from here. So from here we have two different equations to solve. We have the first equation, square root of x is equal to 3 divided by 1 plus I. We have the second equation, square root of x is equal to 3 divided by 1 minus I. Sorry for that. So here we're going to rationalize by the conjugate form of 1 plus I, and here by the conjugate form of 1 minus I. So here we have the square root of x is equal to, so the conjugate form of this is 1 minus I, so multiply by 1 minus I divided by 1 minus I. And here multiply by 1 plus I divided by 1 plus I. Up here we have just 3 times 1, which is 3, minus 3 times I, which is I. Then divided, remember this is difference of two squares, as you can see. So that will be 1 squared minus iota squared. So this will give us 1 squared is 1, iota squared is -1, and minus -1 is plus 1, which is equal to 2. So down there we have just 2. And here we're going to have x, square root of x is equal to 3 plus 3i. Remember we're multiplying 3 by 1 plus I. Then this will be divided by 2. We still have difference of two squares here. So in our next step, to square both sides is the next thing to do. So square cancels square root, square cancels square root. So we have x is equal to, if you split that denominator, we'll get 3 over 2 minus 3i over 2 squared. Or here, 3 over 2 plus 3i over 2 squared. I'm very sure we know how to expand this, right? So here we shall make use of this identity. A minus b squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. And for this part here, we're going to make use of a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So here we're going to have x is equal to 3 over 2 squared is 9 over 4. Then plus 3i squared is negative 9 over 4 because I squared is negative 1. So we have here negative 9 over 4. Right? Yes. Okay. Then we'll have minus then 2 times 3 over 2 times 3i over 2, which will give us 9i over 2. And for here, we have a squared. This 3 over 2 squared is 9 over 4 plus 3i over 2 squared is negative 9 over 4. And we have plus 9i over 2. We know that this part here is 0, right? And this part here is 0. So therefore, we have negative 9i over 2 and positive 9i over 2. So therefore, we have the following solutions for x. X is equal to plus or minus 9i divided by 2. And this is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share.